Lithium is also known as the lightest of all metals, and it's used in mobility in particular, whether or not that's computers or our cell phones or increasingly used in electric vehicles. It holds a charge, and it has a 30-year track record of use across a host of different applications.
Production today is very dependent on Asia. More that's coming to the US. That's important. We either mine it through traditional open pit hard rock mining, or we extract it from what are called continental brines. This is important for climate change, this mining activity, but it has to be done in the right way.